Chapter 4. Selection of Human Resources. Selection can be defined as the process of determining from among the applicants who can meet the job requirements and can be offered the vacant position in the organization. It is the deciding point which determines who among the applicants has the personal qualities that match the requirements for the position. In the selection process, the first step in the selection process is the preliminary screening. This step deals with obvious factors such as voice, dress, physical appearance, personal grooming, educational background, professional training, and experience if there's any. There are some styles of interview. First one is structured interview. Second, unstructured interview. And the last one is the panel or round table interview. The second step in the selection process is the application form. In the application form, the applicant is required to fill out the company's official application form after passing the preliminary interview. The third step in selection process is testing and evaluation of results. In testing, in the parliaments of HRMs commonly associated with the prediction and selection of subsequent performance on the job. Tests are still the commonly used instruments for determining the qualifications and talents of the applicant for a particular job. It is the most objective of all selection instruments in the selection process. The fourth step in selection process is the in-depth interview. There are three important characteristics that the interviewer must possess. First is the knowledge, second is empathy, and the last is the communication skills. The fifth step in the selection process is the evaluating references. References are important in finally assessing the applicant's worth for the position. The sixth step in the selection process is the physical examination. This may be the last hurdle in the selection process. The applicants undergo physical examination at a company clinic or an authorized hospital to determine the physical fitness of the applicant for the job. The applicants must pass the physical test as he is certified as being in good health. The final step in the selection process is the placement. The applicant who clears all the hurdles is finally offered the job. Final acceptance for production workers is usually dependent on the approval of the immediate manager or supervisor of the department where the applicant will be assigned. The applicant is now formally introduced into the group and undergoes an intensive orientation and induction program.